Guys, welcome back to my channel Sonyan Sari English Academy. My name is Sonyan Sari and I am from UP. So today I'm here and recording this video and thinking that what to speak, because here today in this video I want to let you know any of technique, because knowing the techniques, following the techniques is one thing, but something else is more important than following any of the techniques. Yes guys, that is the mindset. Today in this video I want to let you know how your mindset is holding you back from speaking English fluently. Yes, until you break this mental block, until you remove this mental block of thinking. Two, three things are there we are gonna cover in this video. That that is just a creation of our mind. It has nothing to do with the reality. This mental block which always stops us from speaking English, that is, I'm not able to speak English. I can't speak like the people who are fluent. I'm from Hindi medium. I have English, I don't have an English environment. I have Hindi speaking people. So among Hindi speaking people, how can I speak? How can I alone speak English? We always wait for the perfection. And let me clear one thing here, guys. Let me tell you one thing, that perfection never comes. Even the native speakers make mistakes. Then how can we imagine ourselves as being Hindi speaking people, as my language is Hindi? It might be possible that the people who are watching this video, their native language might be Germany, might be any other language, but my language is Hindi. That's why I always give context to this language. So being a Hindi speaker, how can I become master? How can I think that I can't make mistake? I will be fluent. I will be perfect. Perfection is nothing, just an illusion. We can never and never become perfect at any point of time. We are always the people who are in the journey, in the process of getting perfection. We, the human, are always the part of the process of getting perfection. It might be possible that some are there to some extent at the perfection, some are there at this level of perfection, some are there at this level, some are there, some are there, some are there, some are there, but not a single person in this world, not a single person in this world. I'm repeating the line again and again. No one in this world who can be said as he is the perfect person. A person can never be perfect at all the things. We will always remain imperfect on something. So this mental blockage of being perfect in English, you have to remove this blockage. You have to break this mental blockage. These are that we are from Hindi medium, we are from Hindi medium background, we are from Hindi people, we speak Hindi, we talk in Hindi, we walk in Hindi, we dance in Hindi, we enjoy in Hindi. We can't become a good speaker. This is just an illusion. Lots of the people in the world, lots of the people in our film industry, lots of the people in teaching, lots of the people in any other field, They are the biggest example that they were from Hindi background, but now they are good speaker. These are just excuses. Yes guys, these are really excuses, because when we learn, you know what is the most beautiful thing in this language? When we learn this language, we think that we are from Indian medium, we can't be perfect, we want to we should wait for the perfection. These are the common things. They are diamondism condition, very common to all. But all these things seem excuse when we reach the level of fluency. I also used to think the same thing, that I can't speak. How can I? For a long time, even after being a teacher for a long time, I used to think that when I used to see the other teachers, other staff members to speak English fluently, I always have one thing, that they are from English medium school. That's what they are talking, and I really can't. For a long, it's not about only months. It's about years of my life thinking this, that no. But this is the mindset. When my mindset was like I can't, then i I was becoming like I can't. When I decided I will, then my mindset will become I will, and I became I will. It means I will do it, I will speak. So this is just a mental blockage, nothing more than that. Every beginner thinks the same. But if you are thinking this, then don't think that only I'm facing this. Every single person who is the beginner, who is learning, they always think the same. But at the same time, every single speaker, every single beginner, when becomes able to speak English, he start feeling that yes, it's so simple. It's as simple as that. Speaking English is as simple as that. Is speaking in your native language. Now I think that why should I took as much time in thinking that I can't do. Why didn't I thought this thing even within the very first month, when I started thinking that I will speak English? Why didn't I start thinking that I will definitely learn speaking English? Why I used to think this, I can speak but I can't speak like point speaker. This is just your mindset. Everything becomes your mindset. Whatever you speak to your mind, it starts creating the situation, the environment, like that, like your words. So speak positive words about yourself, about your English, about your future, about your life. Depends. Feed positivity to your mind, it will return positivity. Don't say I can't speak. If you will feed these words to your mind, I can't speak, it will create the situation where you will never learn. You will obviously become I can't. Your mind will create the scenario where you can't learn English. Your mind will pressurize your mind, and it will accept in its permanent memory that you can't learn. Your mind hears you, your mind listens to you, and it acts what it hurts. It acts at, it listens. Getting the point? So stop thinking that one day I will be perfect, I will start, or at this time I'm not perfect so I can't start. Can't, remove this word can't and add instead, use this word I will. The things will start changing. The environment will start favoring you. You will start watching opportunities of speaking. Because yeah, now at this time I can say to speak English you need no one. You need no one. You need nothing. To speak English you need nothing. Just a decision. Just a decision. Just a start. Just your passion. Just your consistency. And all these things are in your control, completely in your control. Nothing in these among these words like your decision, your passion, your consistency, your hard work, your determination, nothing in among these words is out of your control. All these words are in your full control. So change your mindset. Your mind has been blocked by negative thinking about English. So start thinking positively, then it will give result positively and you will see positive change in your spoken. As you know what, when I used to go to school to teach, I had lots of the opportunities to improve my English, but the blockage was there in my mind. I'm from Hindi medium, I can't speak. But think about this thing that now I'm sitting at home. I don't have anyone. I don't have any opportunities. But now I'm improving. Now my spoken is being improved. Can you see the difference? At one time, I used to teach. I had lots of the students. I have so many teachers. I have so many members of staff. I had lots of opportunities to improve my spoken, but I didn't improve my spoken because of the blockage which was there in my mind that I can't speak fluently. But now I am sitting at home without doing anything. I'm just sitting and just thinking that no, I can improve. But now I am improving. I was not improving at that time, but now I am improving. This is just here. English is just here. Your success is here, your growth is here, your future is here, everything is here. When I had opportunities, I was not learning, but now I am learning without any opportunity just because of I have removed that mental blockage, right? So, it's my humble request, start thinking positively. Stop waiting for the perfection. Perfect time will never come. Don't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow is not there in the calendar. There is always the day today. Start today from where you are, whatever you have, however the resources are. Start. When you will start, you will definitely reach somewhere. If you will not start, you will never reach anywhere. Just start without thinking that what will be the future, what will be the result, would I be able to improve, would I be able to reach this goal. No. At the time of starting, at the time of beginning, at the time of doing something, starting something, beginning something, just think about the beginning, just think about the starting, just think about at that very moment. Don't think about the future, don't think about the result. Nothing will work. Think to start. I started late, but I don't want you to be late. Start now, right? So this was all about. I was just sitting and I was just thinking. Today I won't tell any technique. I would only talk about something precious that is more important than any other activity, right? So because what you use lots of the activities but your mind is blocked, these activities won't help you. If you have positivity in your mind, you will definitely get success whatever you are doing, right? So now let's end this video, and before ending this video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe so that I can get your support. Do share my video so that other can also get encouraged, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.